Right. Let's go over. Let's see where we're at here. Anyone, what is Dana's social benefit from 2 bottles of water? What is it? 2 and 1 unit of X? First one? Huh? Okay. So for the first bottle is 24, for the second plus 18, that would be 42, and plus 24, 66. Remember, these are the marginal benefit for each bottle, they're not the total. Okay. All right. Any questions on that one? All right, number 2, assume the price of good X is $5. Calculate the total surplus for 3 units of good X.
39.
39. Patrick, how'd you get it? So you went like 42.54?
Yes.
Okay,
I was subtract
15, and you got 39, right? Okay. So he took the total bid, because remember, consumer surplus is what you're willing to pay versus what you did pay. So we were willing to pay 54, we paid 15. Now, if you did it this a different way, and you just went willing to pay 24, paid 5, 19, willing to pay 18, paid 5, 13, set, you know, oh, that would be 7, paid 5, 7, that would be 39. It's the same list. Any questions on A and B? All right, now C. I assume the price of water is 3, the unit is 6. Okay. Explain, anytime I see maximizing a benefit, I'm thinking the marginal utility of water, or X, over the price of water is going to equal the marginal utility of Y over the price of water. All right, now I have the marginal utility, but I have to put it over price. So the price of bottled water is 3, so I'm dividing that by 3, that's 8. I'm dividing that by 3, that's 6. 12 divided by 3 is 4. That's 2. That's 1. Any questions on why I did that, or? Okay. Now I'm going to the other side. And what were bottles? $6. So that gives me 4. That gives me 3, 2, 1, and 0.5. All right, now explain why Dana does not maximize the benefit when she purchased 2 bottles of water. So this would be 2 bottles of water and 4 units of good X. All right, the reason is to benefit, the marginal utility of a price has to equal each other. That maximizes the benefit. So you could just write it does not benefit because the marginal benefit of water over the price is 6 compared to 1. Any questions there? Now, what is the optimal? All right, so now I'm going to try to get them to equal. 8, there is no 8 on the other side. 6, there is no 6. 4. Okay. Well, water is $3, so 3 times 3 would be 9. This is $6. I'm only spending 15. I got to spend 30. That one can't be right, so it can't be 4. I go down to 2. Matches there and matches there. 4 bottles times 3 is 12. 3 X's times 6 is 18. That's 30. So 4 bottles of water, 3 of X. Any questions there? All right. Anyone think they got C3? All right, Jordan, you want to try to explain it to us?
Over the percent change in the price to X. So the good X drops is $3.
So you went like 8,
Yeah.
6, 4, 2, and 1, right?
Yeah, so max margin bonds were 5 and 5.
Okay.
So you increased the quantity of water bottles by 1, so it's 25% increase in quantity paid.
Okay, and could I just do new minus old over old, which would give me 1/4, right?
Yeah.
And that, so I got 0.25 up top, right?
Yeah.
Okay, and then the price went from 3 to 6, right?
Yeah.
No, it went from
6.
All right, so the new is 3 to the old 6, right? Over 6, right? So I have -3 over 6. So now I have this over -. If it's a negative number, cross price elasticity, I know it's a what? Complement. Okay. Any questions on this FRQ at all? Huh? I didn't hear. Okay. And again, you're not made like to get, I just would remember a 5 is 80%. So you're not made to get every point. You just want to get the points you can. All right, you take out your boards, we'll do a couple of quick multiple choice. Maybe not, maybe. All right, assume the demand for bottled water is relatively price elastic. An increase in the supply of bottled water will result in which of the following? A minute to try to think that out. Seconds. What do we got? Boards, please. I've got A's, I've got A's, 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 A's. All right, look like all A. Don, do you think I like have X-ray vision or something?
I got a big A right there.
Okay. All right. If supply shifts right, we know price goes down. Now, if price goes down by 10%, if it's elastic, quantity demanded has to increase by more than 10% because it's greater than 1. That being said, total revenue will then increase. All right. Next up, if 10% increase in the price of a good leads to a 25% decrease in quantity demanded of the good, demand is. Like 15 seconds. Okay, boards, please. Got some broccoli up front. I got an alpha. What do you got there, Dom? Okay. All right. Now, if you just plug in here, if the price is 10%, that's going to be on the bottom. Over 25, it's going to be greater than 1. So it's B, relatively elastic. Does that make sense?
Wait, if there's a 25% decrease in the client demanded.
Oh, because you're thinking it's negative, right?
Yeah.
When you're doing just quantity demand and quantity supply, it's an absolute number. Okay. Thank you for bringing that up. Okay. Last one for the day. Moving from right along the downward sloping linear demand curve, price elasticity varies in which of the following ways? Okay. What do we got? Boards, please. I've got E. I've got D. I've got D. I've got I can't tell. E, D. All right. It's E before I. So it's elastic, unit elastic, and inelastic. Have a great day.
I agree.
You were good.
Pretty sure. What up, boy? You lit today. Yeah, man. What over to focus on? Can't imagine. Al. What's up, dude? Jerry.
This is my seat, by the way.
Gentlemen.
Use that term loosely for you, Dom.
Dude, that's what you say. Just coming out there 40.
Dom,